This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 47 Demonstration-XVIII. In this video, we explore various swing components for building engaging user interfaces. The combo box component allows selection from a list similar to a group of checkboxes, while the table displays data in rows and columns using a 2D array, even allowing dynamic row addition. The list, on the other hand, holds items added individually or via an array for selection. Moving on, we have the option pane, which provides fixed pop-ups for displaying messages, errors, or progress information. The menu bar holds menus with items, allowing nested submenus and menu item creation, providing a familiar navigation experience. We then delve into the pop-up menu, which enables context menus to be shown on click events within frames. The checkbox menu item allows checkbox options to be incorporated into menus, providing additional functionality with event handling capabilities. Next, we explore the progress bar, a powerful component that visualizes dynamic progress through animation, keeping users informed about ongoing processes. The tree component enables hierarchical display of nodes or directories in a tree format, facilitating organized navigation. Furthermore, the color wizard allows users to visually select colors via RGB or HSB modes, providing an intuitive color selection experience. The Jabid pane organizes content into multiple panels, navigable via tabs, enabling a streamlined and organized user interface. Lastly, we have the slider, which provides a visual method for selecting values from a range, allowing users to adjust settings or parameters with ease through a slider control. Together, these components empower developers to create rich and engaging user interfaces for their applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.